Morning, everyone. In the today's class of non-destructive evolution, will be looking after the live examples or application in the case of this ultrasonic testing process, particularly in the case of this flow measurement and the fat voids that has been considered, and those will be getting identified in the medical sector. Coming to the ultrasonic machining, is the term that has been utilized for identifying the defects by passing the or sound waves and the vibrational waves which are having the range of about 20 kilohertz, and beyond that 18 kilohertz of frequency sound waves can be capable of the normal human ear resisting. So if more than 20 kilohertz of frequency has been utilized, then the unbearable situations such as the blur type of sensation will be existing within the humans, that unresistanceable range we can see clearly. So the resistible or audible sound waves to a maximum level of frequency is 20 kilohertz. Beyond the 20 kilohertz of frequency operations, then the human ear can be resisted for the vibrational waves or sound waves generation. And nominally, in our experimental process, we'll be utilizing the frequency range that is existing more than the 20 kilohertz of frequency. Hence, these high frequency waves can be utilized for detecting the surface identification of the objects or the internal, mainly the internal agitations in the face of its characteristics, properties, whereas the composition has been considered, we have been learned till now. But in the case of this flow analysis, transferring of the fluids at a particular pressurized conditions and with certain volumetric efficiency, that the liquid offense or else the solid offense or semi-solid offense or any of the gaseous offenses passing with the nominal flow rates can be examined here with the help of the range meters by passing this high frequency sound waves externally from the material which need to be examined, that the flow is commencing internally towards the pipe, and even the temperature analysis, such as what is the temperature for the flowing medium is being existing, whether it is being increasing or not or decreasing, at what volumetric efficiency or at what volume per second or per minute the content or material is being delivered within that passage of the pipes, with what pressure it is being maintained. Those analysis can be clearly examined by utilizing this ultrasonic machining process that we'll be looking after in the today's class, as we have been referred towards the welding applications and different casting applications, and examining of the dimensions related to different applications. So where will we derive in this? Particularly in the case of metals and non-metals, we will be deriving as per the properties of the materials will be altering the frequency levels, but nominally will be maintaining the frequency that is more than 20 kilohertz of the frequency, and even that limits or maximum exceeds the 20 megahertz of frequency also even. Nominal ear resistance range of the sound waves 20 kilohertz to 20 megahertz, and beyond the exceeding leads to an ultrasonic testing process that nominally will be utilizing in our testing methodologies. So for measuring and even the control analysis. So measuring in the sense we will be getting the details in depth, such as the flow rate that is maintaining within the pipes, nominally the temperature that is being maintained. We have been considered the reboiler. So one directional flow will be for eliminating the heat for the internal element or crude oil, which is having a range of 700 or 800 degrees centigrade of temperature, need to be reduced to a 500 degrees. Hence, the flow movement of the crude oil will be in one direction, and the coolant will be flown over the coated pipeline or cascaded pipeline that is mounted over the crude oil pipe in the upstreams. That elevates the temperature upon reaction, and the flow rate will be existing in opposite direction to the flow of crude oil. That will be reducing to a maximum range of temperature at a desired levels of temperature. So that is the point of this control system. And even the machinery control systems such as processing, metal cutting, and in some of the cleaning sections, painting sections, printing sections will be utilizing this. Here, if you have been considered, we'll be having two different types of waves, mainly classified for the commencement of different applications within the industrial sector and even for the domestical conditions. First one is the shear waves, and secondly it is the longitudinal waves. Most probably we'll be utilizing these longitudinal waves because these are very much easily generated from the source of generation. And even this longitudinal waves will be having the high capability of propagating within the three different mediums with an greater velocity. Hence, this can propagate into the materials for examining the different fields such as geometrical specifications, mechanical properties identification, casting defects identifications, surface level examinations, and even the flow measurementing aspects, measurement properties, measurement capturing accesses. This and all of the categories can be identified by this longitudinal waves at a high range of velocity passing waves. And even this device has the capability of converting the type of energy into the ultrasonic waves, which is called the ultrasonic transducer. which convert from one form to the another form of sound waves, or similar format to the another similar format by energizing its frequency or towards the limiting of its frequency. By utilizing the electrical power supply, the required frequency levels of the sound waves are produced from the processor and controller, which has been utilized as an equipment for the generation of this sound waves at a maximum frequency levels. Even this electrical energy can be converted into the mechanical vibrations by utilizing these transducers. And in many of the engineering applications, such as machining processes and even some other applications, such as the measurement of velocity of the dynamic fluids, which will be progressing at the time of manufacturing in the case of industrial sectors. Different blending operations can be examined at the chemical industries, utilized for the flow detections, and is there any leakage happenings, and measuring of the hardness and structural deviations due to the grain size deflections within the metals and non-metals, identification of the Bravis lattice structures upon the different casting alignments or casting processes, internally identified flaws, and even in different medical diagnosis, and even for the treatment for different diseases, as we'll be discussing so forth. The major principle of this ultrasonic testing or ultrasonic machining process is used to remove the material due to the action of these abrasive grains that will be hammered into the work surface by a tool which is oscillating at a high range of frequency towards the work surface. Nominally, the range of oscillations or frequency of the oscillations is maintained at 20 kilohertz, and then towards the incremental in the frequency agitations. These ultrasonic waves are generated by utilizing the electrical power supply, and these can be transferred at a similar frequency, maintaining and converts with the help of the transducer to the mechanical actions for getting these vibrations in the form of the waves generation. Even for the machining operations such as elevating of the or shaping of the metals or non-metals into an confined dimensional accuracies, that too even in surface finishing levels, up to the finishing levels, to a maximum load conditions bearing, and due to the impact of the external load implications, the behavior within the internal workpieces can be examined clearly, such as the grain structures deviations, flaws identifications or flash formation at the time of this different dynamic loading conditions, and even the tool shaping conditions for the mechanical machining processes commencements, that to the for the phasing operations, for the straightforward cuttings, edge cuttings, longitudinal cuttings, oblique range of cuttings. For the different kinds of working process, the tool shapings will be examined clearly. And nominally, particularly to a focused agitationally points. These will be tuned based upon the strength of the materials, that the sound waves need to be propagated through the material and need to obtain the results in a high accuracy agitation. Majorly, the diagram clearly specifies that the implication of the forces which harms the condition by creating the vibrational factors due to the implication of the loads, and remove the materials at an upstream stream surface of the work part with respect to the tool by maintaining an amplitude of 10 to 50 micrometers and maintaining the frequency levels which is above the 18 kilohertz of frequency, that is in between 19 to 25 kilohertz of frequency. And these and all are the equipmental setups that are being utilized for removing the material to some extent with a slight feed rate conditions only. Here the work tool part will be in a dynamical motion where the tool will be moving over the work part for the machining conditions by the given input in the form of a program, as we will be referring in our CNC applications. And here the work part will be freezed or is in a fixed positions in order to achieve the conditional strategies. Nominally, those will be clearly visualized the working scenario by utilizing our microscopic technique process. And this is the internal fixation of the diagram here clearly shows the ultrasonic machinery, which can be examined at its micro range of level in order to find out the structural deviations at the surface levels and the subsurface levels. And by the application of this process in any of the work pieces that which are having at a high strength conditions needs the minimum quantity of lubrications towards it during the machining process is being commenced, because of reducing the high temperature factors or temperatural stresses that will be produced with respect to this tip of the tool and the work part during the machining processes. So if at all it leads to the beyond the limitations, then nominally will be either of the work part dimensions will be getting deviated, or else the tool part will be getting into the failure conditions. So in order to reduce the minimum quantity of lubrications will be utilized. And moreover, these thematical representations is clearly identifying or clearly representing the in-process compensation, nothing but even when the working process is going on, then only internally the capturing conditions, whether as per the input conditions the machining process is commencing or not, it will be identifying very much clearly by utilizing this USM. And that too at a range of micro level, it can be examined. So this is a conditional strategy that is being progressed, and we'll be looking after the minimal examples related to the flow meter, which is trending in the marketing field presently. And even we can consider, or we can consider as an trends or forecasting technology also, which is going to be implemented in the nearest future. So the forecasting specifies that it's the technology which has been limited in the present marketing field, that to which minimum applications. And the forecasting, it is very much widely utilized, which can be very much helpful for identifying various levels of information in the case of the structural fields, in the case of identification of different flow rates within the different pipelines in industrial sectors and chemical industries. So presently, so why we have to implement or we have to take these modificational sectors in the forecasting hesitation, in the sense so we are aware that the companies will be looking forward in conditions related to its less investment and achieving for the high profitable ranges. So in order to get on those type of conditions, the trending within the technology plays a major role, that the similar equipment should be existed over here, but better outputs need to be captured during the working methodologies or working processes. So for that particular range, the forecasting conditions which have to be implemented within the existing machinery for getting the better outputs, and full-fledgedly for the installation in the case of this flow meter related to the ultrasonic operational schedules, the estimated time for full time of application orientation related towards the ultrasonic identifications in various industries for identifying its flow rates, at what pressure it is being moving, and limiting of the pressures with respect to the control system, fully automated in range, will be achieved by 2027. So what are the parameters for achieving or for implementation of these techniques by this 2027? There's nothing but the following ranges. First one is that the transparency market research within the company, which will be providing the North America business information reports and services, nothing but the imports and exports categories related to the manufacturing areas, and the demand oriented projects which need to be commenced, related to that, the marketing survey. So here, survey in the sense the feedback related to the existing project or existing products which has been already released and that it is being trending within the market. And what else? The additional requirements that are required to indeed to attain the attention of the buyers or else the end to end customers. And the another one more exclusive forecasting technology is nothing but the blend of quantitative forecasting and some of the trends which will be provides for forward looking insights for thousands of decision makers. See here, decision makers. Presently, if there is any kind of malfunctioning that has been existed within the equipment, the skillful worker or agent will be approaching over there, and based upon the error that is displaying over the machinery device will be identified by him, and only at that particular area he will be maintenance activity will be getting done by him. For us, for example, if you have been considered our washing machine process, so nominally we will be having four different applications and most widely three applications. That soaking will be considered by consuming the water and the powder, washing powder that will be giving externally. And next the washing, and next for the drying process. So these are the three different conditions. And in some futuristic applications such as advanced applications, the ironing also is being progressed. So indeed to happen this three, instead of drying, it is not at all getting progressed. So if you have reviewed the expert member who came for the maintenance activity, if he had reviewed the previous operation, so where it has got the error, just as like the error which is showing at a particular step in our C language program also, in such a way, clearly at which part it is being done will be clearly examined with respect to the display unit. And moreover, he will be done the maintenance activity at that particular place and he will be rectifying the problem which has been arranged. So nominally, those kind of problems also should be taken care of by itself with the help of the control system by taking the spontaneous decision among the internal agitation itself. So for that, the futuristic research is going on by the analysts and gathering the various type of analysis from different areas, analyzing the information with respect to the data acquired from the different places. Different simulation activities are getting progressed indeed to compete in the present marketing trends. So if at all any of the new commencement of work has been implemented for the existing technology, automatically it will be coming to the trending agitation. So these are the main factors we'll be keeping in the mind for the new developments need to be done. So before going to the reality, whatever the information that has been captured by the different iterative processes will be stored in the form of the data and those will be gets analyzed by reviewing, and the simulation activities with respect to the obtained data, the simulation activities will be getting progressed. If at all the data which has been obtained or the results upon the experimentational processes has been obtained within the standard variational levels, that the obtained data will be examined with respect to the ASCTM standards or RSO standards or ISO standards, RSSA standards. So if at all these are reaching or matching with respect to the standard data within the allowable limitations, then automatically the live progress will be getting commenced. Nothing but the production unit will be getting started. So that is the simulation activity. And moreover, this TMR report, it covers different sectors. Presently, what we have been discussed till now, the analysis will be getting done, and those will be stored in the form of a particular data. This data will be again accessed for different simulation activities. If the results within the particular range has been identified, then automatically those will be getting executed for the reality basis. So this TMR, marketing research, plays a major role in order to rectify the problems and even to upgrade the trends to be followed within the existing machinery devices within the marketing field. So such a marketing fields are here, and the industries here are different pharmaceuticals, different chemical industries. So chemical industries related to the chemical industries or pharmaceuticals, the types of blending process, nothing but the combination of the medical offenses, at what range of percentages the powders should be matched, or else the liquids should be confided, or else the solid offense should be acetated. Coming to the utilization categories, foods and beverages, and energy supply, semiconductors, and even different medical devices related to the consumer goods and implementation of the highest technology. So here the technology is nothing but the robot which has been utilized for or in place of cab driver. So the artificial intelligence or android humanoid robot with respect to the artificial intelligence will be scheduled by a different programming manipulations or different programming assertions within the particular robot, and will be utilizing for the cab driver. So the spontaneous decision should be taken by him within the existing roads itself. So by identifying the speed breaker, that robot should be able to analyze the shifting of the gears and decreasing of the speed, and depending upon the speed, automatically after bypassing the speed breakers, it need to range upon increasing its speed by altering the gears or by shifting the gears. Hence this foods and beverages, so this is an good technique, and the present days it is also a very trending work that is being progressed in the marketing field. So different chef activities are being achieved or getting done, because the evergreen business sectors are this food and beverages sector first plays a major role. First one, the clothing, food and beverages, and medicals. These three plays a major role, or even these are considered as basic physiological needs also. So without having this, nothing but food, shelter, water, and clothing. So foods and beverages, depending upon different types of taste, automatically it creates different trends. And even in that also, we have been implementing the technological aspects. So by mixing of the overall vegetables and applying of the incentives or in which will be utilizing such as ingredients, salt or pepper, or else some of the masalas, etc. If almost all the required ingredients has been taken into a bowl and that bowl has been placed within the oven, automatically the sambar will be getting created. So the entire cooking within 30 to 40 minutes will be just giving in the form of temperature zones or time factors by providing the electrical power supply. So entire the task will be getting commenced. Instead of existing over there, standing over that stove, automatically this technological aspects will commence the work very much rapidly. So indeed to trend, we should have particular analysis before, and later on to which level it is being implemented need to be get in short kind of analysis. Nothing but to which range it will be happen, presently where we are, whether this can be, whether the implementation of this technique is being confined or not. That should be get into the confirmation before moving on to the document, filing a document releasing to the marketing sector. So if at all that reports, I think, but patent filing will be getting done for that particular reports, and that patent will be getting released to the market. If at all the simulation activities come true or done, a maximum of 85% to 90% of efficiency levels, automatically the companies will be coming to these researchers, research oriented persons, or these research institutions for implementation of those techniques within their industries. So that is the power of trending within the marketing sectors. And this is a pictorial representation for identifying the fat cavities which are existing within our fat storing parts such as stomach and different muscle identification sectors at shoulders and beyond the shoulders, thighs, etc. So this ultrasonic testing plays a major role indeed to identify where the fat cavities has been identified in our body parts and whether the blood circulation is being getting done within the blood tissues or else the nerves in a proper way or proper channel by maintaining a particular filtration process from the heart pumping by consuming the blood from the filtration sector such as the kidneys, and to which factors the air whites or the liquid solidifications within the epidermis layer, beyond the epidermis layer is being commenced can be identified very much clearly. Nothing but will be calling the formation of this fat with respect to water. So to which confined it can be reduced in the form of its weight can be clearly identified by this ultrasonic testing process, and that fat levels also can be reduced to a maximum extent and can be recovered by utilizing some of the surgical suggestions or surgical operations can be done by the experts such as the dietitians without following the surgical basis of fat burning and removing of the fat from the cells with the surgery basis with the external personalities such as doctors and with the different equipments. And in that particular range, this ultrasonic plays a major role. So these are the present live examples that trends to a particular field presently, but the complete implementation of those kinds of techniques with the field survey or market survey from the public opinions will be captured and implemented. The implementation of the new technologies progressing can be done in a major role by this 2027, as we have been discussed before. For that commencement, majority of the research oriented systems are being followed from different research institutions and getting the original reports in the form of simulation strategies. So based on this market survey, the simulation strategies has been confided to an equating range. The implementation of these new trends will be progressed to the present manufacturing fields or in the present utilizing equipments, and those will result in a better achieving of the results as an output, which increases the decreases the time bounds and increases the work efficiency. So for that, this ultrasonic plays a major role, and the applications vary in maximum ranges. The next class will be moving on to the next topic. Thank you.